What's up guys, it's me Ramay. So if you're coming to renew your visa, remember one thing, always try to do the reservation in advance or you have to wait really very long. So currently I came to Daejeon Immigration to renew my visa, which is a really very nice, to be honest with you, nice. Let me show you. That one is Daejeon Immigration. So I came here to renew my visa and then they renew it for another 1 year. Make sure that you bring all of your document. To be honest with you, if you have all of your document, renew visa is not hard, to be honest with you, but make sure bring all of your document, original document. If you can do the booking online for the reservation, always try to do the online booking, which is the best thing. Or if you can't, because I just came here with my wife, take the ticket number, I need to wait for like at least around 2 hours, to be honest with you. Overall, Daejeon Immigration is very good, to be honest with you. I'm really happy with them. Give them a big thumb up. I mean, their service is very, good. They know how to talk, they know how to communicate. Their communication skills are very good. Yeah, so my visa is renewed. Now I'm going to go to a coffee shop, have some apple pie and some tea. So I'm going to walk this way. Subscribe and bye.